To add Apple Pay on your iPhone, start by opening the Wallet app, which is a pre-installed app on your device. If you cannot find the Wallet app on your home screen, you can swipe down from the middle of the screen and type Wallet in the search bar to locate it. Once you have opened the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to begin the process of adding a card. You will then be prompted to choose the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. Select the type of card you want to add and tap Continue. Next, you will be asked to use your iPhone's camera to capture the card information, or you can enter the information manually. To use the camera, position your card in the camera frame and the iPhone will automatically detect the card number and expiration date. If you prefer to enter the information manually, tap Enter Card Details manually and type in the required information. After capturing or entering the card information, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the card issuer. Read through the terms and conditions carefully and tap Agree to proceed. Your bank or card issuer will then verify the information and may ask you to provide additional verification, such as a security code or a phone call to confirm your identity. Once the verification process is complete, your card will be added to the Wallet app and you will be ready to use Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay, simply hold your iPhone near a contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay to make purchases online or in apps by selecting Apple Pay as the payment method and authenticating the transaction. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your iPhone and card information secure, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious transactions to your bank or card issuer immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy the convenience and security of using Apple Pay on your iPhone.